All right, Algebra Review 2. Suppose you are given 2 points and find the equation of the line. Find the linear equation joining these 2 points. So remember, the first thing you have to do, sometimes you want to start with finding the slope equation. So the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. All right, so, and then you decide to call one of them x1, y1. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And then I'll find the slope. So the slope is, what is my y2? My y2 is -5. What is my y1? -9. What is my x2? My x2 is -8. And what is my x1 is -2. Okay, don't forget there are negative here. Negative is positive. So don't forget that. And then we can just go back over here. So the slope is equal to -5 plus 9 is 4. And -8 plus 2 is -6. So we're going to say that the slope is -2/3. Now we find the equation of a line, point slope. So remember the formula is y minus y1 into slope into x minus x1. But you already have the slope. So you can now use x1, y1 right from here. So we have y minus y equal to, I just have y minus, and the y1 is -9 into slope is -2/3 into x minus x1. And what is that x1? -2. So that -2 here. So let's start at the right-hand side. This is positive. So we have -2/3 into x plus 2. And if I open in the parentheses and distribute, I have a -2x/3. And then I have -4/3. And then I can say +9 on both sides, so that my equation now, I'm going to pull this up. So my equation will end up being, so I have y is equal to, on the right-hand side, I have -2/x/3 minus 4/3. This time I'm also going to have, see, this is positive, negative, so it's positive. So, and since it's positive, I will just say -9 on both sides. So -9 on both sides. And then since I see that these two like terms, they are like terms, so I have to add them together. So I might as well say that this is 9 multiplied by 3/3. Another way I can just find the lowest common denominator, so that this is -4, and I have 3 here, because now I can have 27, so -27. But remember, this is negative there, so -4/3 minus 4 over, but let's go back and see, this is negative. So I have negative is positive. So now I have y minus 9. So y minus 9 and this is y plus 9. So when I come over to this side, I have negative 27. So negative 27, negative 4 minus 27. If I add them up, I actually have 31. So y is equal to negative 2x over 3 minus 31 over 3. Okay, so now that I have this, I have the equation of a line. That is the equation of the line, even though it looks like a fraction, but that is the equation of a line. I could be told to graph this line, or make a sketch of the line. So I could be told to leave my equation in slope-intercept form. So that is the equation in slope-intercept form. That is that equation in slope-intercept form.